If you want a little piece of Sega history right here, this Game Gear is all replaced. I replaced this bezel right here that was super scratched. I did what most of these, actually all of them need it. These capacitors that you see hanging off, all those have to get replaced. Rather, those got replaced from the small little ones that come with these guys. So let's power it up. I got too much brightness going on. Let me adjust that. Because I don't think I have the volume up. All right, let's try that again. There you go. So this is the screens that we had at this time. You know, this is the best they got. You can replace these screens, but it's an extra fee. It's like a more like TFT stripe screen. The game works great though. You will see like a dead pixel right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a black one on this old screen. Other than that, there's nothing else hindering it. Sounds great. It's loud. I can't hold both of them, so let me show you the moving. There you have it. Up for sale, 150 bucks if you want it.